Hello, my dear students, and welcome to your favorite educational YouTube channel, Educator Prerna. That's me, or as you popularly also know me as English वाली मैम. So आज ये जो हमारी T20 सीरीज है EPL इसका नेक्स्ट सेशन है जिसमें we are going to be reading a chapter from your supplementary reader. And what is the name of the chapter? The Midnight Visitor. All right. So I want all of you to come to page number 14 of your textbook. Chapter 3, The Midnight Visitor. So ये जो story है The Midnight Visitor is about a detective named Oswald जिसके पास कुछ बहुत important papers हैं. All right. बहुत confidential papers हैं उसके पास. But what happens is that a man named Max enters his room asking for those confidential papers. So ये जो Oswald है, detective जो है Oswald, how does he manage to deal with this man named Max? Let's find that out. Okay. Oswald did not fit any description of a secret agent Fowler had ever read. Following him down the musty corridor of the gloomy French hotel where Oswald had a room, Fowler felt let down. It was a small room on the sixth and top floor and scarcely a setting for a romantic adventure. तो पहला जो पैराग्राफ है उसमें डिस्क्राइब किया गया है जो Oswald था he did not look like any other detective. In fact, his physical appearance was very different from what Fowler had imagined. So Fowler probably imagined someone who would be maybe 6 feet tall, very slender and very fit and fine. So Oswald was, for one thing, fat, very fat. And then there was his accent. Though he spoke French and German passably, he had never altogether lost the American accent he had brought to Paris from Boston 20 years ago. So यहाँ पर बताया गया कि Oswald जो था उसकी जो फिजिकल अपीयरेंस थी वो किस तरह से एक टिपिकल डिटेक्टिव जो हम इमेजिन करते हैं उसमें फिट नहीं होती थी because of which Fowler he felt let down. You are disappointed, Oswald said weaselly over his shoulder. You were told that I was a secret agent, a spy dealing in espionage and danger. You wish to meet me because you are a writer, young and romantic. You envisioned mysterious figures in the night, the crack of pistols, drugs in the wine. So Oswald जो है he could make out कि जो एक writer है Fowler, he is disappointed looking at me because of the physical appearance that Oswald had. And Oswald इसको कहता है कि मुझे पता है कि तुम सोच रहे थे that I'll be very tall, very slender, मेरे पास pistols होंगी. And I will tell you some interesting stories about drugs, about wine, in the drugs in the wine, या फिर कुछ ऐसी mysterious बातें मैं तुम्हें बताऊंगा. But ऐसा मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं है तुम्हें बताने के लिए. And I'm sure that is the reason for that is another reason for your disappointment. Instead, you have spent a dull evening in a French music hall with a sloppy fat man who, instead of having messages slipped into his hand by dark-eyed beauties, gets only a prosaic telephone call making an appointment in his room. You have been bored. The fat man chuckled to himself as he unlocked the door of his room and stood aside to let his frustrated guest enter. कौन था frustrated guest? फाउलर. अब वो बार बार फाउलर को बोल रहा है कि मुझे पता है कि तुम क्या इमेजिन करके आए थे बट तुम्हें ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं मिला. You are disillusioned, Oswald told him. But take cheer, my young friend. Presently you will see a paper, a quite important paper for which several men and women have risked their lives, come to me. Someday soon that paper may affect the course of history. In fact, thought is in fact that is in fact that thought is drama, is there not? As he spoke, Oswald closed the door behind him. Then he switched on the light. So Ausable ने बोला don't worry, I still have something to show you, very confidential paper, a very important paper जिससे पूरा course of history change हो सकता है एक टाइम पे, and that is something that you will really like. और ये कहते हुए Ausable जो था उसने अपने होटल रूम का दरवाजा बंद किया and he switched on the light. And as the light came on, Fowler had his first authentic thrill of the day. For halfway across the room, a small automatic pistol in his hand, stood a man. Ausable blinked a few times. Max, he wheezed. You gave me quite a start. I thought you were in Berlin. What are you doing here in my room? तो क्या हुआ कि जैसे ही ऑस्टिबल और फाउलर रूम में एंटर हुए, उन्होंने लाइट ऑन करी, दे सॉ कि एक there's a person who's standing there in Ausible's room with a pistol in his hand. और ये जो होटल रूम में था ऑसिबल के, what was his name? His name was Max. This is very clearly illustrated here also. Okay, and this man with a hat that you see, very short height and kind of overweight also in structure, in body structure. This is who is this? This is Ausable. All right, and this is Max. And of course, behind Ausable, you can see Fowler. And Ausable thought that Max is in Berlin. Max was slender, less than tall, with features that suggested slightly the crafty, pointed countenance of a fox. So he had a very cunning face. Who? Max. There was about him, aside from the gun, nothing especially menacing. The report, he murmured, the report that is being brought to you tonight concerning some new missiles. I thought I would take it from you. It will be safer in my hands than in yours. तो ये जो important papers जिनके बारे में बात हो रही थी, this was concerning some important missiles. Ausable moved to an armchair and sat down heavily. तो जब आप ऐसे एकदम, when you throw yourself on a sofa or on a chair, so that's like you're sitting down on a sofa or a chair heavily. All right. I'm going to raise the devil with the management this time, and you can bet on it. Raise the devil मतलब मैं बहुत top level तक जाके complain करूँगा. He said grimly. This is the second time in a month that somebody got into my room through the nuisance of a balcony. Fowler's eyes went to a single window of the room. It was an ordinary window against which now the night was pressing blackly. तो क्या हुआ कि Ausable, देखो, here it is also shown this Ausable, he's sitting in the chair and he बहुत गुस्से में वो कह रहा है, मैं मैनेजमेंट को कंप्लेन करूंगा कि ये जो विंडो है मेरे रूम में, यहाँ पे इधर एक बालकनी है जिसके थ्रू in this the second time in the month कि कोई मेरे रूम में आया है. All right. And Fowler जो था वो ऐसे विंडो को देख रहा था कि यहाँ से कौन आ रहा है, कैसे आ रहा है. All right. Balcony, Max said with a rising inflection. No, a passkey. I did not know about the balcony. It might have saved me some more trouble. Had I known. So Max जो है वो कहता है यहाँ पे balcony भी है. मैं तो I entered your room with a pass key, like a duplicate key or a master key. And Max is wondering कि अगर मुझे पहले पता होता कि यहाँ पर एक balcony है तो वो मेरे लिए better option था तुम्हारे room में enter होने का. So he said it's Max. Ausable क्या कहता है? It's not my balcony. Ausable said with extreme irritation. It belongs to the next apartment. He glanced explanatorily at Fowler. You see, he said, this room used to be a part of a large unit and the next room. Through the door there used to be the living room. It had the balcony which extends under my window now. आपने कभी देखा होगा जो buildings बिल्कुल ऐसे जुड़ी होती हैं, तो अगर इस building में कोई balcony है, all right, so someone can probably get into this building also using the balcony. All right. तो वही जो ऑसिबल है वो मैक्स के दिमाग में वही पिक्चर पुट कर रहा है कि साथ वाली बिल्डिंग जो है वहां पर एक बालकनी है, इस रूम की बालकनी नहीं है. वो यहाँ पर वो एक्सप्लेन करता है कि एक पूरा लार्ज यूनिट होता था, तो वहां की बालकनी है जिसके थ्रू एनीवन कैन एंटर माय room. You can get onto it from the empty room two doors down, and somebody did last month. This the management promised to block it off, but they haven't. तो ऑसिबल अपना गुस्सा एक्सप्रेस कर रहा है अभी तक कि मैनेजमेंट को मैंने कंप्लेंट भी किया था, उन्होंने कहा था कि हम वो ब्लॉक कर देंगे बालकनी, बट उन्होंने ऐसा कुछ किया ही नहीं. Max glanced at Fowler, who was standing stiffly not far from Oswald, and waved the gun with a commanding gesture. Please sit down, he said. We have a wait of half an hour, I think. 30 minutes, Oswald said moodily. The appointment was for 12:30. I wish I knew how you learned about the report, Max. The little spy smiled evilly. And we wish we knew how your people got the report. But no harm has been done. I will get it back tonight. What is that? Who's at the door? तो जब ये ऑसिबल और मैक्स आपस में बातें कर रहे हैं कि तुम्हारे पास रिपोर्ट कैसे आई, आई डोंट नो, उसी टाइम डोर पर एक नॉकिंग शुरू होती है. Alright, Fowler jumped at the sudden knocking at the door. Oswald smiled. That will be the police, he said. I thought such an important paper as the one we are waiting for should have a little extra protection. I told them to check on me to make sure everything was all right. तो जब दरवाजे पर एक नॉक होती है, so Oswald क्या कहता है कि दरवाजा, who's at the door? He says that it is the police which is at the door, and he says कि मुझे पता था कि मेरे पास एक इतना important paper है, कितना confidential paper है, तो मैंने ही पुलिस को बोला था that मेरे पे आके regular check रखना that whether I am fine or not, और इस टाइम पुलिस ही आई है ये find out करने के लिए whether I am absolutely fine or not. Max bit his lip nervously. The knocking was repeated. What will you do now, Max? Oswald asked. If I did not answer the door, they will enter anyway. The door is unlocked and they will not hesitate to shoot. So Oswald जो है वो क्या कर रहा है, वो मैक्स को डरा रहा है. Okay, so he is saying अगर वो दरवाजा नहीं खुला, what is the police going to do? They are going to enter the room and they will obviously shoot you. Max's face was black with anger, and as he backed swiftly towards the window, he swung a leg over the sill. Send them away, he warned. I will wait on the balcony. Send them away, or I'll shoot and take chances. The knocking at the door became louder, and a voice was raised. Mr. Oswald, Mr. Oswald, तो क्या हो रहा है? अब आप देखो, जो मैक्स है वो विंडो से बाहर जा रहा है कि मैं वहां बैल्कनी में तुम्हारा वेट करूंगा. अब ये कॉन्वर्सेशन हो रही है, बट द नॉकिंग एट द डोर इट इज बिकमिंग लाउडर एंड बाहर से आवाजें आ रही है. मिस्टर ऑसिबल, मिस्टर ऑसिबल. Keeping his body twisted so that the gun still covered the fat man and his guest, the man at the window grasped the frame with his free hand to support himself. Then he swung his other leg up over the window sill. The doorknob turned. Swiftly, Max pushed his left hand to free himself from the sill and dropped the balcony. तो मैक्स ने क्या किया, वो विंडो से लटक गया कि मैं अब बालकनी में लैंड कर जाऊंगा. ऑलराइट, और दरवाजा जो था वो खुलने लग गया ऑसिबल के रूम का. एंड देन एज ही ड्रॉप्ड ही स्क्रीम्ड वंस shrilly. बहुत तेज आवाज में एक चीख आई. The door opened and a waiter stood there with a tray, a bottle, and two glasses. Here is the drink you ordered for when you returned, he said, and he set the tray on the table, deftly uncorked the bottle, and left the room. White-faced Fowler stared after him. But, he stammered, the police. There was no police. Oswald sighed. Only Henry, whom I was expecting. So Oswald बोलता है कि वहां पर I knew कि जो मेरा रूम है, ये जो knocking हो रही है at my door, it is not the police. It is instead the waiter Henry, whom I had told to bring in some drinks for us. But won't that man out on the balcony? Fowler said. तो Fowler ने पूछा, but वो balcony में ही है Max, उसका क्या? So Oswald said, No. He won't return, you see, my young friend. There is no balcony. So, किस तरह से using his witty sense, Ausable was able to save the day. So, he saved those confidential papers and he also let the other person have his own set of, death, maybe. So, very interesting story. अब हम next session में क्या करने वाले हैं? We are going to understand the characters in this story and the values that we get from this particular chapter. Alright. Till then, do like, share and subscribe to Educator Prerna. Thank you.